What is regression in AI? How does it work? In AI and machine learning, regression is a type of supervised learning algorithm used to predict continuous numerical values based on input data. Imagine a company that sells cars online and earns money by sending customers to dealerships. They study trends to understand what people want to buy at different times of the year. People love buying convertibles and sports cars in spring and summer. Trucks and SUVs sell more in fall and winter. How they use data? The company used a tool called regression analysis to study these trends. Regression analysis is a machine learning method that helps predict outcomes. It looks at how different factors, like seasons, affect what people buy. These factors are called predictors or independent variables. How regression analysis works? It's like training a computer to recognize patterns using past data. The computer learns from labeled data and makes predictions. For example, when the weather warms up, the system predicts more convertible sales. When it gets colder, it predicts more truck and SUV sales. Understanding prediction with data regression doesn't explain why people buy certain cars, just that they do. It helps businesses make decisions based on patterns. More data makes predictions more accurate. Companies use this method to sell the right products at the right time. Using graphs to see trends, the data team mapped sales on a simple X and Y axis chart. The months were listed on one axis, Y axis. The vehicle sales were on the other axis, X axis. The trend line showed when sales increased and decreased. Patterns in car sales: convertible sales went up in May, June, and July. They dropped in September, October, and November. Truck and SUV sales followed the opposite trend. These trends help businesses decide when to promote certain cars. Why regression is important? Large companies use regression to predict what customers will buy next. Walmart uses it to stock shelves with the right items at the right time. People buy more Pop-Tarts in summer. People buy more milk and cheese in winter. How companies benefit from predictions? Knowing trends helps businesses keep shelves full. They don't waste money on products people won't buy. They make shopping more convenient for customers. They sell more by predicting customer needs. Is regression true machine learning? Some experts say regression isn't real machine learning. That's because it doesn't learn new things, it just predicts based on past data. But it's still useful for businesses. Many companies rely on it to make smart decisions. Where else do we see regression? Predicting weather trends works in a similar way. Movie studios predict what films people will watch at different times of the year. Streaming services like Netflix suggest shows based on past viewing history. Understanding trends helps us make better choices in business and life.